This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Display Settings. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. Once there, make sure your monitor is connected to the intended port and that cables and adapters are seated. You need to note current resolution and scale values because you may revert if needed. If you have multiple displays, select the one you want to change. This first step prepares the system and prevents confusion, so don't skip verifying physical connections and which display is active. Now change the resolution from the Display Resolution dropdown. Pick the recommended value or a lower option to test stability. Once done, make sure to check Advanced Display Settings to confirm the refresh rate and color format match the monitor specs. If you need a non-standard mode, open your GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, and create a custom resolution. These panels also control scaling and color depth. Proceed slowly and apply one change at a time. Finish by applying the change and watching the 15-second confirmation. Click Keep Changes to confirm or allow it to revert. If desired resolutions are missing, update or reinstall your GPU drivers via Device Manager or the vendor utility and reboot. Make sure Windows and monitor firmware are current. If the screen goes black or unusable, boot into safe mode and revert resolution or use System Restore. The key troubleshooting tip: update drivers first. Most resolution problems stem from outdated GPU drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.